In this video, we will be replacing aftermarket HID bulbs on this 2010 Chevy Tahoe with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The bulbs are located here, and we can access them from under the hood. There isn't enough space to reach the bulbs, so we will remove these two bolts in order to loosen the assembly. We don't need to remove it completely. Now pull the assembly straight towards you. This will pop out the two locking tabs on the side. Now we can reach the bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove the aftermarket HID bulb. Pull out the bulb and its entire system, including the ballast, until we reach the connector. The LED bulb does not need a ballast, and we can plug it straight into the factory headlight connector. Plug in the new LED bulb. Insert the bulb and turn clockwise to lock. Make sure the bulb is installed vertically with LED chips facing left and right for optimum performance. This bulb can be adjusted for the proper placement with this included Allen key. Turn counterclockwise to loosen, and adjust the bulb until it's in the proper position. Heat is a killer for LED bulbs. We measured the temperature of the HID and LED bulbs after being on for 1 minute. The average temperature for the HID bulb was 549 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature for the LED bulb was about 245 degrees Fahrenheit, much cooler. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Here's the 2010 Chevy Tahoe with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.